Give me a laptop, £0, and a weekend, and I'll show you 7 AI side hustles that can actually make money before the month is out. No audience, no experience, and none of that 300 quid a day nonsense all over your feed. Quick ground rules, because I'm not going to lie to you. £0 means no startup costs. Free AI tools and your time, that's the whole investment. And the money? Let's talk about the money. Realistically, a few hundred a month to start, scaling to a few grand once you're actually good and you've niched down. This isn't a lottery ticket, it's a business you build. AI just lets you build it on your own in a fraction of the time. Right, fastest paying first. Number 1, and the one I'd personally start with, automation services. Every small business on earth is drowning in the same repetitive admin. Booking, invoicing, chasing payments, copying data between apps. You build them one AI workflow that kills a recurring headache, and you charge a monthly retainer to keep it running. Automation people bill £75 to £200 an hour, but the retainer is the real prize. Set it up once, get paid every single month. 0 startup cost. The only hard part is the first client, and that's a conversation, not capital. Just one conversation. Walk into one local business this week and ask what eats their time. Number 2, faceless content. You don't need your face, a studio, or a personality the internet already knows. AI scripts it, AI edits it, you post short form, and you monetize with ad revenue, affiliate links, and eventually sponsorships. It's slow to start, and then it compounds fast. Full transparency, this is exactly what you're watching right now. It costs nothing but consistency. And consistency is the thing most people quit right before it works. Number 3, AI-assisted writing. And no, I don't mean flooding the internet with generic AI sludge. I mean using AI to deliver genuinely good SEO articles, product descriptions, and email sequences. Faster and sharper than the people still doing it by hand. Upwork and Fiverr are stuffed with this work, £40 to £100 an hour. Here's the mindset that gets you hired. You're not selling words, you're selling the outcome. More traffic, more sales, hours handed back. Number 4, lead generation. Businesses will always pay for customers, so you use AI to build targeted lead lists and write personalized cold outreach at scale, then charge per booked meeting or a flat monthly fee. LinkedIn is your shop window. It's unglamorous, nobody brags about it, and that's exactly why it works. Almost no one does it properly. Number 5, and pound for pound, this pays the most. AI consulting. You don't need a certificate or permission. You just need to be 6 months ahead of a business owner who's too slammed to learn this stuff themselves. You walk in, you audit where they're bleeding hours. You show them the 3 tools that fix it. Consultants charge $100 to $300 an hour for exactly that. The barrier was never skill. It's the confidence to charge for what you already know. Number 6, build it once, sell it forever. Custom Claude agents, prompt packs, Notion templates, automation blueprints, digital products that sell while you sleep. Small ticket per sale, but 0 cost to make the next copy, and it scales without your time. Pair it with number 2, and you've got a machine. The content pulls the audience in, the product quietly takes their money. And number 7, clipping. Every podcaster and creator is sitting on hours of long video and 0 time to cut it down. So you take their footage, let AI surface the best moments, and you deliver a week of short clips on a retainer. Recurring income, massive demand, and you can land your first client by clipping one creator for free. Keep the results, turn it into your case study, then charge everyone after that. So, which one should you actually pick? Honest answer, it matters far less than you think. What matters is that you pick one, you treat it like a real business with a specific customer and a defined service, and you let AI be the unfair advantage that lets you deliver like a team of 5. Because here's the truth the gurus won't tell you. The people making money with AI right now aren't smarter than you, and they're not earlier than you. They just actually started. Now is the time. If you're building with AI, finance or automation, follow me. I'm testing what actually works.